and welcome to this week's Tech Cookie. As always, I hope this recording finds you and your family well. And this week, I thought I would focus on a great free resource we have through our website, aimed primarily at middle school age children. It's called Middle Search Plus, and you can access it from home for free, and it's pretty cool. So let me show it to you right now. You know, as we move through the fall here, we're getting probably closer to paper time or big research assignment time. At least that's my recollections and that far off time when I was in middle school. So let me just show you a really useful tool that can help with that. So you're going to click on our services link right here, and we're just going to click on reference databases right here. Once we scroll down, as you can see, we have a lot of databases, and we'll be getting into more of these in the weeks ahead. But under the For Students section, there's Middle Search Plus, so you just click that. And the nice part is this is provided by Jersey Clicks, which you can see up here in the upper right corner. So the State Library of New Jersey furnishes access to this database, so you don't have to sign in with your library barcode. It's really just click and you're in. And then here's your main search function here. And, you know, let's say we were doing a paper on hurricanes. Let's put that in there. And we are immediately presented with a ton of resources. We've got over 8,000 hits from different newspapers, periodicals, that sort of thing. So, for example, let's just click on this article right here. And you can see we get the author, we get the source, which in this case is U.S. News and World Report. We get the exact page that it appeared on in the print edition, and then we get the full text of the article right here. Now, obviously, this isn't presented in the way it was presented in the magazine, but if you do a PDF, you can see here that now we're going to get it the way that it actually appeared in the print publication. So that's a very useful feature. I'll show you a couple other very useful features with this tool. So let's go back into this article. You'll notice here on the right-hand column you have some tools. I think one of the most useful ones is the citation tool. So if I click Cite, you get a nice pre-formatted reference that you can put into a works cited page or a references page. And all kinds of different formats, all the major ones, MLA, APA, etc. So if your student is doing a bibliography or a works cited page for the first time, I remember that was very daunting when I was doing it, and very difficult because we didn't have useful tools like this, but this will allow them to get a perfectly formatted site right off the bat. Other useful tools here, permalink. So if you click on permalink, you get a link up here. And you can save this link in a document, and then if you never need to go back to this article, you don't have to rerun your search. You can simply use the permalink, and it will take you right back into that article. The last thing I just wanted to show you is this also has what's called Boolean Searching. And all Boolean Searching is that you can use keywords to sort of limit your search or expand your search. So for example, I can do hurricanes, and then I put and, that's the Boolean operator, Florida, and now I'm going to get results that are germane to Florida. So if I wanted to do, like, maybe I'm doing a paper just on hurricanes in Florida, this would be a way to greatly limit that results list. Remember, when we just searched just for hurricanes, we got over 8,000 hits. Now we're down to 1,000. So that's a pretty significant reduction and a pretty significant focusing of our results. So I hope you found this video useful, a very useful tool that you can use to do research from home. You know, obviously schools right now are doing mostly hybrid instruction, some in school, some at home. So if you need to get your student needs to get work done at home, this is a very easy way to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Take care.